The title of this lecture is Leadership is a Group Process. While creating this course, I realized that leadership is not just one of my professional interests, but it is an interest which I've had and expressed as part of my conversations throughout my life. Like me, great deals of people out there have also had an ongoing interest, fascination, and discussion on the topic of leadership. In general, leadership is very widely talked about. For example, a book search which I conducted on Amazon on February 2016 with the keyword leadership yielded over 179,000 results. As you can see, it's a very large topic. This amount of interest on this topic makes the topic very important. A reason for this interest has to do with the fact that leadership is how change is achieved, and change is required to improve the human condition. Oftentimes, many people have similar goals and objectives. However, a problem that people face is that they find it challenging to devote themselves towards the achievement of goals. In addition, the motivation required to succeed individually is very high, as it can be very challenging to complete complex tasks as an individual. As a result, people with similar goals group together. The group requires organization, and this requires leadership. In the leader position, the leader can then use their influence to organize and motivate the group. Because of the importance of this position, people end up thinking of leadership as an individual thing, or an I thing. The reality is that leadership is about an interaction between followers and leaders, and that means that leadership is a group process. The prominence of the group should be visible, as it is the followers, which may or may not accept the leader as being part of the group. If they determine that the leader cannot achieve progress for the group, then the leader will be replaced. The followers are the ones that either accept or reject the potential leader. Oftentimes, the followers are viewed as passive entities who must comply with the demands of those in power. However, in reality, the followers are the ones that have to be convinced to contribute in the first place, so as to turn a particular vision into a reality.